information below to answer question 21 and 22. Okay, sorry, it's a little bit blurry. I think there's something on my printer. Okay, but don't worry, I'll still guide you through it. So now they say that George received $80 for his pocket money each month. So every month he got $80. The line graph shows the amount of pocket money he spends each month. He saved the rest of his pocket money. Okay, let's see. In February, he spent how much? Do you see how many spaces are there between 0 and 10? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So if you take 10 divided by 5 means 2, which means that each space, right, is actually $2. $2, $4, $6, $8, $10. Okay, so each increment is 2, don't forget. Now in February, let's look. February, it is how many spaces above 30? It is 2, right? So it's 1, 2. Each space is $2. So 2 spaces will be $4. So actually he spent $34. So February, 34. Now let's look at March. March is here, right? So March is directly at 40, so don't need to count. April is at here. So here is over here. So this is 1 space below 30, so that will be $28. So he spent $28. In May is here. It is 1 separation below 50, so that will be 50 minus 2 will be 48. So here's $48. Okay, so now we got all the figures. Now the question is asking for, in which month, sorry if you cannot read, don't worry, I'll read out for you. In which month did George spend more than half of his pocket money? His pocket money is how much? $80, right? So the month that you pick must be more than $40, more than half, because half of his pocket money is 40. Okay, so which one is more than 40? May. May is the only month he spent $48. Okay, and so therefore this answer, May. Okay, part 2 of the question is, how much did George save in February? In February, he spent $34. He was given $80. So how much he saved? Just take 80 minus 34 and then that will give you the answer. So take 80 minus 34, this will be 46. So that means he saved $46 in February. Alright, done.